What's going on, guys? Today I'm back with another unboxing video with these TrueBuds by SoundPeats, and I do buy quite a lot of SoundPeats earphones because they're quite good. And yeah, these are called the TrueBuds as well. All of the links for this will be in the description below, but let's open this. So opening it, so customer care. So guys, the good thing is they have 12-month warranty, so that's a good thing. Just have a low art thing or something, and so you get up to 21-month warranty. It's quite good. And yeah, if you remember my other video with the TrueBuds, it was a bit like this packaging. So over here we have, so guys, over in here we have, that's actually quite good. Finally, USB type A to USB type C. I think, yeah, USB type A to USB type C. Okay, that's really good. Okay, because now everything's USB type C. Okay, just have a manual, you don't really need. Just open these up. Okay, first thing I've noticed, it's nice. Okay, only thing is it's a bit too chunky and a bit too heavy, but it's probably because of the battery. These are overall, let's just lay this down, just move the box. They're quite small, and I think, I'm not quite sure, these just remind me a bit of the Airpods, but to me, the weight of these are quite light, so that's a good thing. Quite good. And just try to put them in my ear. So guys, in my ear they feel quite light and soft. Yeah, so this I would advise to buy. Okay, and guys, stay tuned for my next video, because I'll be giving you the ups and downs of this and a proper review. This is just an unboxing, but stay tuned and I'll see you lot in the next video.